Hey guys, hope you're well. Today we're back with another app icon 3D design, and this time we're going to take a look at the App Store icon here. And what you can see in the middle, this is the final result which I did before, and we're going to try to match this. Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna turn off my final and let's see the shapes. So we're going to have a base, and we'll have the stroke, which we're going to kind of like rotate it the way we can see it on the reference here, and we got a backdrop. So the idea is to have this behind our design. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's go to base, go to 3D extrusion, and create. All right. Okay, so set the extrusion depth to 0.1, and then we go to bevel. We change the size to front and back. Then we're going to do a contour here, this one, and I think we're going to use 4% with 44 degree. That's fine. Yeah, this is nice. The stroke, let's do the stroke. We only create one, and then we're going to just duplicate it. Again, 0.1, the extrusion depth, and then sides, front and back. And here we're going to do, we'll leave the bevel alone, we're just going to inflate it. So 90 degrees, and the strength, like I think 20% is fine. Yeah, that's perfect. And lastly, the backdrop is just a simple 3D extrusion, and this time we're going to go like 400 should be fine. Yeah, there we go. All right, once that's done, actually it didn't go up to 400, maybe. Oh yeah, here we are. Anyway, so let's select all the 3D layers and then merge them. 3D, merge 3D layers. There we go. Once that's done, let's select all of them on the panel here. Yeah, everything with the star icon next to it. And then we'll just go to coordinates, move to ground. I'm going to move them into the middle. Alright, and then just kind of organize them this way. There we go. Alright. What we're going to do, the backdrop, I'm gonna I think it's the y-axis, we just turn it with 90 degree, and then we use the base and the stroke, move it down a little bit, something like this. There we go. Stroke can come a little bit forward like this. There we go. So once that's done, we can just export this. Export 3D, wavefront OBJ. Okay, and then we'll go here to App Store 3D icon. I already created it, but I'm just going to replace it. Okay, once that's done, let's go to dimensions and change the canvas size to 2556. Oops. 560, and then 1440. There we go. Change the view to fit canvas, and then let's go ahead and just import our 3D model. There we go. There we go. Open. Okay, once that's done, we can go to camera view, and just I think the left side is not good. Actually, it is alright, it's just, yeah. Anyway, let's just go and change it to front. Yeah, front. I don't know why I went to left. Anyway. Alright, let's find a nice view. Here we go. Something like this. Okay. And then the stroke and the base we can just scale them down a little bit, something like this, and then then zoom in. Yeah, like this, something like this is nice, good. Okay, let's save this view here. I'm not gonna name it, and let's work on the stroke for now. I'm just going to duplicate it twice. Alright, and then let's start with the first one and rotate it with 30 degree, and then the one below 30 degree but to the other side, and then the last one is 90 degree. There we go. And then we'll just have to basically just place them into position. I made it. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Let's put it in the middle like this. This side can go, oops. Alright, the other one can go this way. Okay, so let's just create this 3D look we're going for. Right. Let me move them a bit forward so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, I think I'm gonna do like this. Yeah, perfect. And then the bottom one I'm going to turn even more like this. Just bring it in here. There we go. Okay, so this is starting to look good. That's great. Alright, I think this will work well. Good. Okay, let's work on the backdrop. All I'm going to do is just basically let's use this material here and change the color to something light like this. Yeah, something like this. Okay, cool. Okie dokie. The base, let's change it as well. I'm gonna go and use plastic and a nice blue color like this. Actually, let's just color pick this here. What's this? There we go. 1764E1. Just gonna steal this and put it in here. There we go. Alright, roughness can go up to about 20, I think. A little bit of 20% metallic, and then glow just like something small, like 2 maybe. Yeah, something very subtle. And then we go and work on this in this strokes as well. Yeah. Just gonna move it a tiny bit back like this. Okay, good. Okay. Anyway, let's choose this glow material here. Okay, start with the first one and then change it to change the glow to let's say 25. Yeah, and then roughness, let's go down to 0, metallic up to something like, I don't know, let's see, 50. Let's go 50. Okay, good. Glow 25. Yeah, let's go with that. And then we'll select the other stroke, press I just to eyedrop it, and then we are ready. Let's work on the environment, light. Okay, I like to have these studio light pillars, but we have to go down with the intensity, something really subtle. Well, not that subtle, but like 50% should do. Okay, great. And then we'll add, let's go with the circle light, something subtle, like, you know, like 30%, let's say. Yeah. And then let's work on the rotation. Yeah, something like this, and then the height can go something like this. All right, let's see how it looks. Okay. Yeah, one more thing I think it's good to do is just to use the base, take the base and then just rotate it a little bit like this. Yeah, and then let's see, back to the view. All right, so we have to go back to the directional light and change the height to something like this. Yeah, like this. Okay, again, if we go to environment, we can adjust the shadow or reflection. Let's say 50-50, I think 50% rough reflection and 50% opacity and 50% roughness. Yeah, like this. Let's pre-render. Okay, yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good. Okay, we have to go back to the stroke because I think this 25 is really, it's just too much. Let's see, 15. All right, yeah, 15 much better, but maybe 10 even better. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, good. Okay, one more thing. Yeah, environment, let's just go back to about 40 and then the direction as well, just like 20. Yes, this is nice. Good. And the base, not the base, sorry, the backdrop. It's just not that. It doesn't work that well. Just bring it up a little bit, like this. Yeah, something stronger. What did I have before? Let's see. Yeah, this was way more intense. Okay, let's steal this because I really liked it. There we go. Okay, and then we can go back to 50 here, maybe even 60, and then here as well go back to like 30. Let's go, let's see. Yes, I like this one. Okay, all we have to do now is just to render. I'm going to add 2 here and render. No, I might have that already. There we go. Right, so this render will take about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna cut the video here and come back when we are ready with the render, okay? Okay, so the render just finished and this is the final PSD file. And what we're gonna do is just going to go and select all and then copy, merged and paste. So we'll create a merged version of the whole screen and then convert it to smart object. Let's call it final, and then just go to filter and camera raw filter. All right, let's just do some stuff in here. Okay, so what I like to do always is just check auto. Let's see how it looks, and let's see if it helps or not. I think it does help, but we're just going to fine tune it a little bit. We can add a little bit of grain effect like 10, and then vignettes just about, okay, 30. Yeah. All right. Okay. Saturation, I'm gonna pull it back. And vibrance, it's good. I think it's okay. I like to add a bit of texture and clarity, a bit more dehaze. And there we go. I think this looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pull back the vibrance to 0, maybe a tiny bit back on the saturation, something like this. Okay, alright, yeah, I think this works. Alright, let's press OK and so this is the final design, and I hope you like it. Press like if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't. Also, I appreciate if you comment in the comment section what other app icon you like to see turned into 3D. Okay, thanks, bye.